Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today, I'm so glad to see you. Thanks for clicking on the channel. How you doing? I'm excited. You know why? Because we're going to Naples, Italy. Ora Napoli! I'll never get tired of doing that, man. Italy is such an awesome place. If you haven't gone, definitely try it out. We're not gonna waste too much time. Today, we have Santal. Absolute Santal on the block. Let's not hesitate, procrastinate. Let's just illuminate the fragrance. Yeah! Look at that shimmer. Look at that glint. Okay, one thing I love about this fragrance company, everything has a little bit of dirt in it, a little dirty. You know, I like my fragrance with a little bit of country grammar on them, all right? So this is Absolute Santal by Mine Perfume. I'm just gonna call them MPL. Handmade. I just tried out patchouli, and I really like this. But this is about the Absolute Santal. Absolute Santal. Just in case you thought there was going to be something else in there. It's just Absolute. Now, what I will say is the atomizer, the decant is clear. The bottle is tinted. What's going on there? I mean, this ain't adding up. I need an answer for that one. That's not making a whole lot of sense to me. But we're gonna go ahead and move forward. All right, see what we got here. I'm gonna put this on the back. Ooh, yeah. You guys understand, this is my favorite part of the week. All right, so if I'm full of energy, it's because I love this. I genuinely do love this. All right, so when thinking of a perfume for the people who are aware of their elegance, who charm others with their bearing and their command of language, I could think of no other fragrance than sandalwood to create it. A strong, persistent sensation that led to the creation of Absolute Santal with its woody notes which tell a 1,000-year-old story of devoted well-being. Sandalwood is the perfect fragrance to convey the calm, confidence, and elegant manner of those who wear it, but pure class, not to be the result of multiple inspirations, which is why I choose to create Absolute Santal, a single-note perfume, precisely to enhance its incisiveness. In the top notes, you have sandalwood. In the middle notes, you have sandalwood. And in the base, you have none other than sandalwood. This is interesting. This is interesting. So it's called Absolute Santal. Santal. Okay. The 100 ml is 137. Okay, so this is giving me a very, it's like Woodshop. It reminds me of Woodshop. There's a pine to it, but not like a fresh pine, more like a pine, like pine wood. Not to be confused with like pine tree, which can be a little bit more green. Fragrantica has it as woody, powdery, warm spice, balsamic, and aromatic. I just want to click on sandalwood. Sandalwood is a classic oriental woody note, milky, soft, sturdy, with green top notes and a satisfying lingering scent. Okay. Sandalwood, Santal. Okay. So what's the difference between sandalwood and Santal? Because I wasn't expecting the notes to have sandalwood versus Santal. Santal is simply the French word for sandalwood, meaning they are the same ingredient. Okay. So sandalwood and Santal are the same thing. Learning with the InScentive Collection. Now, back on track. Now that I know that sandalwood is Santal, Really, they just changed the T to a D, or the D to a T. Yes, yes. Now, when I think of sandalwood, I don't necessarily think of this, even though they are the same thing. I think of something that's a little bit more creamier, a little bit more rich, a little bit more smooth. But maybe that's the refined aspect of Santal, maybe, or sandalwood. Santal, I'm getting, again, woodshop, pine. I think I love fragrances like this. I love simple, strong fragrances, but fragrances that aren't blended into something totally different. I like stuff like that. It kind of reminds me a lot of like the fragrances that Francis Kirkjohn makes. Simple, clean, elegant, fresh, versatile. That's what I'm getting here. I love the smell of like wood shop and freshly cut wood and stuff like that. I think that stuff smells great. This is exactly what that is. I like this. I'd be very curious. I'd be very curious of how it develops over time, because this patchouli has changed a lot. I'd be very curious of how it develops over time, but right now, I think that this is a beautiful fragrance. I think it's beautiful fragrance, and I think it's only going to get better. There's an aspect to this, like a pine freshness to this, that I think is coming out stronger and becoming more bold. Man, gosh. This is love right here. I can tell you. This is love. This is love. Yeah. Gosh, man, I just smelled it. I just sprayed the patchouli. I know I keep going back to that, but this has turned into something beautiful. So far, my #1 pick, and it's not even close. Patchouli is make me want to say some expletives. It's the ish. Yeah, but back to focus. Absolute Santal, Absolute Sandalwood. I'll be very curious to see how this develops over time. It smells like a fresh wooden car toy, but in not an immature way. Like it smells like it's the real deal. I think that I'd be very curious to see where it goes, where it ends up. But it is a fragrance that is action-packed, full. It's a full fragrance, good roundness to it, and it's clean. It's clean. It's not very adventurous though. It's not like it's taking you on the most extravagant of sandalwood fragrance. Sandalwood is one of my favorite notes, so I might be a bit critical. And to be fair, I like the creamier, softer sandalwood Santal fragrances. But it's got Santal in the top, middle, and in the base, and that's it. I think if you like carpentry class, if you like that smell and you want to smell like that, which I don't necessarily think is a terrible thing. I think it's it's like even more niche. Because I do think that this is a hard fragrance to nail down. It's also not a scratchy fragrance, right? Like you can get sandalwood and it'd be very harsh. It'd be very harsh, very astringent. This doesn't have any of this. This is clean. It's fresh. It's neutral. It's organic. That's a word I need to start using more. It's organic. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. I think I nailed this one. All righty. I have too much energy. But that is it. Again, welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I am Brandon, and today I smelled patchouli and sandalwood, and I'm liking both. What do you think? All right, one thing I know for sure, YouTube is making some excellent recommendations right now. Check them out. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.